So then that leads me into bonus questions. And I've been looking forward to this bonus questions because, again, with your music background, I would think whoever you're going to name based upon this question should be music related. But then again, it would be me assuming and making an ass of myself. So let me ask you the question.
Okay.
If you could spend 24 hours with anyone, dead or alive, uninterrupted for those 24 hours, who would it be and why?
Oh, well, that's easy. Steven Tyler, of course.
I didn't make an ass of myself. Yes.
All-time fave band. Love it. I just want to sit with him for a full day and just pick his brain, what brain he probably has left. And I have so many questions about the 70s and how he actually has made it this far. I actually have met him once, and that was only for like 5 minutes though. So I need a full 24 hours with him to really just pick his brain on all the things.
Do they still play? Are they still having concerts?
They were supposed to, they just stopped. So we just went to the 50th, well, technically 53rd anniversary show, I guess, because it was supposed to happen during COVID.
Mm-hmm.
And then they had some shows in Vegas, and then he got sick and had to cancel the last of them. So apparently they are done, but I don't believe it.
Clock is ticking, that's for sure.
It's definitely ticking.